Along with the headline, the lead plays an important role of making your reader want to stay around and read your article. If you don't know what the lead is, it's basically the leading paragraph, the first paragraph of the article. So we're going to have a look at how you add that now. So you might think to add the lead, you just go into your editor and it's the first sentence you write in your editor. But here on Buzz, we do things a little bit differently. So I'm going to scroll down my page and I'm going to come to this section that says before article. And in here it's got article lead. It says insert an opening sentence that introduces your reader to your article. So in here I'm going to type in the first sentence of my article. I'm going to type in my lead. Once you've added your lead, click on save and preview your post. Okay, and you should be able to see your lead appears up here. You don't need to do anything in terms of formatting that lead. It will be formatted for you by the Buzz website. Okay, there's nothing you can do in terms of making it bold or making it bigger. We'll decide on the format of it. Just add your lead into this section and it will appear up the top here.